Let's face it, when you don't have control over your operations, efficiency and utilization can suffer. The Sage-endorsed solution, Service Manager, by Technisoft can help. Service Manager is a job costing and billing system that allows customers to track all equipment-related rental or maintenance activities in real time. Made up of a suite of programs designed to organize and manage the service maintenance process, Service Manager gives technicians and managers the ability to access all operational data from anywhere at any time, in the office or in the field. One of the most important features of Service Manager is its tight integration with Sage 300. While Service Manager is used to manage the day-to-day, Sage 300 helps with managing all your accounting, inventory control, and payroll needs. Utilize your resources to their fullest potential with Technisoft Service Manager.